Hi, we're the Ashbys.
And you're watching
Nash Family Adventures.
Welcome to our channel, Nash Family Adventures. We're just a bunch of country boys and girls who love anything to do with the outdoors, having fun, and spending time together as a family. So whether we're up camping in the mountains, riding ATVs, hunting, cooking, doing home addition projects, playing music, or just a regular homeschool day, there is always something going on around here. We put out new videos weekly, so please support us by subscribing to our channel and sharing with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know when we upload new videos. And follow us over on Instagram to see more day-to-day happenings. And thank you so much again. We're very excited for this new year.
Nash Family Adventures!